Welcome. Today's lesson 10 is understanding complementary events in probability. Essentially, complementary events are all outcomes that are not, so I'm going to actually underline that, are not the event. In other words, we have a coin here, and on this side we have a head, and we know on the other side it's a tail. So the event, if we're looking for the event of looking for a heads, then the complementary event, so here the complementary event is actually tails. So it's whatever isn't the event, that is its complement. For example, also, if we're looking at what is the probability of tomorrow being Monday, the complement is every other day, being Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and so forth. You'll remember that our probability is an event. So let's say I'm just going to abbreviate probability as P, and our equation is, you'll remember from previous lessons, is the number of ways it can happen, okay? Or that's for theoretical, or if we were doing experimental, is basically what has actually happened over the total number of outcomes. So we need to remember that, okay? So for example, if we were doing an example of, we were looking at the probability of drawing any card in a deck of cards that is a heart. So that's our probability. So we know that in a pack of cards there are 13 hearts over 52 cards in total. So that's our theoretical probability. But when we're talking about a complementary event, what we're actually asking is, what is everything else that is not hearts? So it is P equals, P, go back a bit so I don't confuse you. Okay, so what we're actually saying here is P, so we could actually say anything other than hearts, or we could say spades, diamonds, and clubs. What is the probability that we will actually get this? So in actual fact, it would be 39 over 52, because 3 lots of 13, because there are 13 different cards in each suit, equals 39 over 52, which is our total. Okay, so just remember, a complementary event is anything that is not, all outcomes that are not the event itself. So basically for homework now, I would like you to answer these ones. We have a dice, one dice, or die I should say. Okay, we know it has 6 sides. I want you to tell me, what is the complementary event of rolling a 4? Okay, so remember, I'm after what is not, all outcomes that are not in the event. So here it is, here we have a dice, we're going to roll a 4. What is the complementary event that goes with that 4? And one more, we have one deck of cards, and we are going to draw one card that is a diamond. Okay, it's a diamond card. What is the complementary again? So that all outcomes that are not the event, so not a diamond, what is the probability or the complementary event of a 1 diamond card. Have a go at those and bring them into class on our next class.